In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a filter in Excel. To begin, open your worksheet and look at the row that contains your data headers. These are the labels at the top of each column, such as names, dates, categories, or totals. Click and drag across those header cells to highlight them. This tells Excel which part of the sheet you want to work with, and helps make sure the filter is applied to the correct columns. Once your headers are selected, move to the top of the Excel window and click the Data tab. This tab contains tools for organizing and analyzing information, including sorting and filtering options. After you open the Data tab, look toward the center of the ribbon for the Sort and Filter group. This section contains the controls you need to narrow down your data and view only the information that matters for your task. Next, click the Filter icon. It looks like a small funnel. As soon as you click it, Excel adds a drop-down arrow to each header cell in your selected row. These arrows are what allow you to filter the data in each column. This is useful when you have a large table and want to focus on only one type of entry without changing the rest of your spreadsheet. Now click one of the small drop-down arrows that appeared in the header row. A menu will open with a list of values from that column. To choose a specific item, first uncheck the Select All box. This clears the current selection and makes it easier to choose only the item you want to display. Then click the checkbox for the specific item you want to see. This tells Excel to show only the rows that match that value. After making your selection, click the OK button at the bottom of the menu. Excel will immediately update the worksheet and display only the matching rows. This makes it much easier to review targeted information, especially in large datasets where scrolling through everything would take more time. If you do not see the results you expected, make sure you selected the correct header row before turning on the filter. Also check that you chose the right value from the drop-down list. Small details like that can affect what appears on screen. That covers everything you need to know.